Good morning, students. This class we are going to see about Oswald dilution law. This is very important 5 mark question. Explain Oswald dilution law. Who introduced this law? Oswald introduced this law. It tells about what it relates three things: Ka, alpha, C. What is the mathematical formula for Oswald dilution law? The mathematical formula is K equal to alpha square C divided by 1 minus alpha. Here alpha K means what? Dissociation constant. Alpha means what? Degree of dissociation of weak acid. C means what? Concentration of weak acid. What is the definition of Oswald dilution law? Oswald dilution law relates dissociation constant of the weak acid K with its degree of dissociation of weak acid alpha and concentration of the weak acid. That is the definition of Oswald dilution law. What is degree of dissociation? Degree of dissociation is the fraction of total number of moles of the substance that dissociates at equilibrium. What is degree of dissociation? At equilibrium, how much moles of the substance is dissociated? That is the degree of dissociation. What's the formula for degree of dissociation? Alpha is equal to number of moles dissociated divided by total number of moles. Suppose if you consider 100 moles of acetic acid is taken, in which 80 moles of acetic acid is dissociated. How to calculate the alpha value? How much moles of acetic acid is dissociated? 80 moles. So the number of moles dissociated is 80 divided by total number of moles is taken initially. So 80 divided by 100. Now we consider the dissociation of weak acid. Already we know that weak acid means what? Partially dissociated. And also the equilibrium exists between the undissociated molecule and dissociated ions. So now we consider dissociation of weak acid, that is acetic acid is a weak acid. So they will form H plus and CH3CO minus. How to write the K value? That is dissociation constant value, product concentration, H plus concentration, CH3CO minus concentration divided by reactant concentration, CH3CO over H. The formula for Oswald dilution law is Ka equal to alpha square C divided by 1 minus alpha. How to get this expression? For that purpose, now we consider the dissociation of acetic acid. Acetic acid is dissociated into H plus ion and CH3CO minus. So now we consider 1 mole of acetic acid is taken. And how much moles is reacted? Alpha moles is reacted. That is degree of dissociation of acetic acid is alpha. What is the remaining? Number of moles at equilibrium. 1 minus alpha is remaining. The reacted concentration alpha and also converted into product. It is also represented in product concentration alpha. So here alpha. What is the equilibrium concentration for this? So this will be multiplied by C. 1 minus alpha into C, alpha C, alpha C. Suppose if you take 100 moles of acetic acid, in which 80 moles of acetic acid is dissociated. What is the remaining moles of acetic acid at equilibrium? 100 minus 80. So this is the equilibrium concentration of reactant and product. This is the equilibrium concentration of acetic acid. C alpha is the equilibrium concentration of H plus. C alpha is the equilibrium concentration of CH3CO minus. Substituting the equilibrium concentration in equation 1. That is Ka equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Product concentration divided by reactant concentration. So equilibrium concentration value of CH3CO minus is C alpha. H plus equilibrium concentration is C alpha divided by equilibrium concentration of acetic acid is 1 minus alpha into C. C cancel. Alpha into alpha, alpha squared, C divided by 1 minus alpha. This is said to be Ostwald dilution law. Weak acid dissociates only to, yes, very small extent compared to 1. Alpha is so small, so that 1 minus alpha equal to 1. Already we know that dissociation of weak acid is small. It is compared to alpha value. Suppose if you consider the degree of dissociation is 0.001. 1 minus 0.001, that is equal to 0.999. 0.999 is almost equal to 1. So that 1 minus alpha is equal to 1. Apply in this, 1 minus alpha is equal to 1. So this equation becomes K equal to alpha squared C. Then C comes this side as denominator. Alpha squared is equal to K by C. Alpha squared equal to K by C. Alpha equal to root of K by C. The concentration of H plus or H3O plus can be calculated using the K value. From the K value, we have to calculate H plus ion concentration. H plus concentration is equal to C alpha is already seen in tabular column. So this is equation number 7. Substitute equation number 6 in equation number 7. Equation number 6 is alpha equal to root of K by C. So this value apply in the formula of equation number 7. So H plus concentration is equal to alpha value is replaced by root of K by C into C. C means root C into root C. We know that root 3 into root 3 equal to 3. Root 4 into root 4 equal to 4. So C is separated into root C into root C. Root C cancel. What is the remaining? Root Ka root C. Root of Ka dot C. That is H plus ion concentration. What are the formula derived from the expression? Ka equal to alpha squared C. Alpha is equal to root of K by C. H plus concentration is equal to C alpha. H plus concentration is equal to root of Ka dot C. These formulas are derived from weak acid. Suppose if you consider weak base, A is replaced by B. K equal to alpha squared. For weak base, Kb value equal to alpha squared C. Alpha equal to root of K by C. For weak base, alpha equal to root of Kb by C. A is replaced by B. H plus concentration equal to C alpha. OH minus ion concentration is also equal to C alpha. H plus concentration equal to root of K dot C. OH minus ion concentration is equal to root of Kb dot C. A is replaced by B. Let us consider an asset with Ka value 4 into 10 power minus 4 and calculate the degree of dissociation of the asset at two different concentration, 1 into 10 power minus 2 molar and 1 into 10 power minus 4 molar using Ostwald dilution law expression. What is given? Ka value is given. K value is what? K is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 4 and two different concentrations are given. First concentration 1 into 10 power minus 2, the next concentration 1 into 10 power minus 4. So calculate the degree of dissociation. Alpha is equal to what? K value is given and two different concentrations are given, and how to calculate the alpha value. In first concentration for 1 into 10 power minus 2 molar, how to calculate the alpha value? What is the formula for degree of dissociation? Alpha is equal to root of Ka by C. What is the value of Ka? 4 into 10 power minus 4 divided by, what is the value of C? First concentration 1 into 10 power minus 2. 4 into 10 power minus 4 divided by 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2, 10 power minus 2 cancel, remaining 10 power minus 2. 4 into 10 power minus 2. So what is the value of root 4? 2. What is the value of root of 10 power minus 2? 10 power minus 1. So 2 divided by 10, that is equal to 0.2 in first concentration. In second concentration 1 into 10 power minus 4, how to calculate the alpha value? Root of K by C. What is the value of K? 4 into 10 power minus 4 divided by, what is the value of C? Second concentration 1 into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 4 cancel, remaining root 4. Root 4, that is equal to 2. That is the alpha value. When the dilution increases by 100 times, the dissociation increases by 10 times. When the dilution increases from 1 into 10 power minus 2 molar, that is 0.01, to 1 into 10 power minus 4 molar, that is 0.0001. The dissociation increases from 0.2 to 2. Dilution increases from 0.1 to 0.001. Dissociation, that is what, 100 times, increase by what, 100 times. Dissociation increases from 0.2 to 2, that is increases by 10 times. We can conclude that when dilution increase, the degree of dissociation of weak electrolyte also increase. Dilution increase, dissociation is also increase. This statement is known as Ostwald dilution law. A solution of 0.10 molar of a weak electrolyte is found to be dissociated to the extent of 1.20% at 25 degrees Celsius. Find the dissociation constant of the acid. Dissociation constant means what? Ka. Find the Ka value. What is given? 0.10 molar. The concentration is given. Concentration is 0.10 molar. And dissociated to the extent of, that means what? Degree of dissociation 1.20, but it is expressed in percentage, so that degree of dissociation is what? Alpha is equal to 1.20%. So that means 1.20 divided by 100 divided by 100 into 10 power minus 2. 1.2 into 10 power minus 2. How to calculate the dissociation constant? What's the formula for dissociation constant according to Ostwald dilution law? Ka equal to alpha squared C. What is the alpha value? 1.2 into 10 power minus 2 whole squared. Concentration value is 0.1. 1.2 whole square, that means what? 1.44. 10 power minus 2 whole square, that means what? 2 into 2 minus 4. 0.1 is represented in 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 1, so they will become 10 power minus 5. So 1.44 into 10 power minus 5, that is the Ka value for weak electrolyte. Calculate the pH of 0.1 molar acetic acid solution. Dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. What is the given data? The concentration of acetic acid is 0.1 molar. Concentration is 0.1 molar. Then dissociation constant of acetic acid is 1 point. Dissociation of acetic acid Ka value is equal to 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Calculate the pH. How to calculate the pH? pH is equal to minus log of H plus concentration. How to calculate H plus ion concentration? H plus concentration is equal to root of Ka into C. Already Ka values are given. First you have to calculate the H plus concentration. H plus concentration is equal to root of Ka into C. What is the Ka value? 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. What is the concentration value? 0.1. So 0.1 means what? 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 5, this will become 10 power minus 6. So root of 1.8, the value is 1.34. Root of 10 power minus 6, 10 power minus 3. This is the half of this value. The H plus ion concentration is calculated. 1.34 into 10 power minus 3 molar. This value apply in the formula of pH equal to minus log of H plus concentration. Minus log H plus concentration is replaced by 1.34 into 10 power minus 3. Minus is taken outside. Log is common for both. Log of 1.34 plus log of 10 power minus 3. These values are multiplied by minus, so this will be minus, this will become minus, this will become minus. The value of log of 1.34, 0.1271. Log of 10 power minus 3, minus 3 comes before the log, so minus into minus plus 3, log 10 based on 1. So 3 minus this value, that is equal to 2.8729. What is the pH value? 2.87.